our second session is what's the difference between CAT and linear testing methods? Well, let's discuss about advantage over traditional paper and pencil exam from this author, Wainer, 2000. He published a book, the first computerized adapt testing book published. And there are so many advantages. One is paperless. You don't need to print the booklet before the exam. You can use computer to administer. And also you have flexibility, testing time, date, and time. You can arrange your tests as your convenience. And also, your instant score reporting is possible. And there are many other things like multimedia, animation, cartoon, because we use computer. And also more information can be collected, such as response time. How many seconds the student spend on each item can also be collected. And also, flexible test field testing. And this we'll discuss this in the future, something like, we have item bank, but we need to periodically retire some old item and adding new items. And then, computerized adapt testing can be much more convenient for us to do this. Also, these can be considered advantages. Though published in 2000, they are still valid. Now, let's discuss, what's the disadvantage of CAT versus linear form. This is from, measurement proficiency perspective. The good thing is we can tailor to each individual's ability so that we can prevent from answer copying and can limit the number of too hard, too easy items, and less likely that the student will become discouraged or bored because, student can always find the next item is very challenging, right? The good news is we can have a more accurate ability estimation for all students. If you design paper pencil test, you have 200 students in your class, then it's difficult to design the best test for everyone. You can only target students in the middle. And now we can make the best test for each student so that, more accurate ability estimates, not only for those smart, but also for those less able, for those in the middle. And the good thing is, we can reduce testing time because a test is more efficient. We don't need such long tests to make the same measurement precision. We have so many things we can say about the computerized adapt testing. A good thing is, you can find many examples, vivid examples, informative examples from YouTube. Because there are so many professionals who need to test, who need to pass this licensure exam for all the licensure exam, and they will have some introductory video for their tests, such as, and this is a national nursing exam. You just look at, you found YouTube, you click, and then you will see, something from.
If you're taking the NCLEX, then you need to know about CAT, or Computer Adaptive Testing. In this video, we'll not only tell you what CAT is, but also help you understand why we use it and what it means for you.
Okay, something good, right? So I think in this class, I would encourage you to go to YouTube and to find necessary information.